Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. If you are not new here, hey girl, I am so excited to share this unboxing with y'all. Like, I'm working from home today, not going anywhere. I work from home every day, but I'm not going anywhere today. So I just have on my little Amazon little feathered fancy robe. Yeah, and we just keeping it cute at home. But let's get into the reason you clicked on this video. Y'all, I am beyond excited right now. Okay, so let me make sure my address isn't showing. Yeah, I am going to go ahead and open this package. So I ordered this bag from Rebag because they sent me an email telling me that they were having a sale. And you know what? A lot of times people be having fake sales, and so I don't be wanting to click on the emails, but I have to click on the emails. Like, I gotta see if you are having a sale for real. So I went on their website, went browsing around on a few items, and I saw this item and I was like, wait a minute. So they were having 10% off. They were having 15% off of certain items actually, in their clearance or outlet section, whatever it's called over on there. But then everything else was just like a standard 10% off. And then I actually found out, like, when I was putting the thing in the cart and, like, you know, pricing it out, seeing what the final price was going to be, because, you know, you got to see what it is with taxes and shipping and everything. So I had $100 in Rebag credit. No clue where that came from. Like, absolutely none, because I have never ever ordered from Rebag before. So throw this stuff down for my cats to play with. This is what the box is looking like. You can see already it says Rebag. We're gonna take it out. So like I said, I've never ordered from Rebag before. Usually I stick to Fashion File, but I mean, I've always heard pretty good things about Rebag as far as purchasing from them. Now, I've checked out their pricing before, like as far as like selling items, and I don't think I would sell to them because the pricing that they gave was definitely nowhere near what I was looking for. But on the purchase side, I've always, you know, heard like good things about it. So it comes wrapped in plastic, so that's good in case your packets were to get wet, I guess. So y'all, this is the bag. Like, this is how big this bag is. So to reveal, okay, let me look it over, y'all, because I gotta look it over. I gotta make sure it looks like what it looked like on the website when I was purchasing it. So that was one of the things that like drew me to this bag. I was looking at it and I was like, y'all, they said this bag was in good condition. So that's one step up from the worst condition on their website, which is fair. So I think it goes from like fair to good to very good to great, and then like excellent or something like that. But yeah, this was just rated as good. And I was sitting here looking at the pictures, you know how they got a little zoom feature, like you zoom in. I was sitting here like, I don't know, it's giving that it's in good condition. Like, it's really giving that. So that's why I was a little hesitant. I was like, I really have to check it out once it actually gets here to make sure, you know, they're not pulling any camera tricks or anything, because y'all, when I tell you, I saw like virtually no corner wear, and still in person, y'all, look at these corners. Look at the bottom. Like, do you see the condition of this bag? Can y'all see? I hope I'm showing really up close right now. So it has the little Rebag tag on it, of course. Like, let me look at the chain. Yeah, even the chain, if you can see that. And they were talking about the hardware, like, was that glitter? That kind of looked like glitter. I don't know, but yeah, look at the CCs. Like, look at that. Everything, like, this bag looks so good, y'all. Like, I mean, there's a little bit of rubbing, like, on the underside of the flap. But yeah, I'm just, it's giving, it's not giving just good, it's giving better than good. Let me take this out. Let me smell it and see if there's like an odor. Yeah, there's like no odor on this either. Yeah, I really don't know, because I was halfway thinking this bag might have to go back. You know, if it wasn't like they described it online. But yeah, it's you know, it looks like it did in the pictures, and it even comes with the authenticity card, which I've never had. I'm saying I've never. I only have one other Chanel bag, but the one Chanel bag that I do have, that my husband found for $600. Hopefully I'll get that video up before I put this one up. But yeah, that one did not come with the authenticity card. So yeah, let's look at it not stuffed. Yeah, y'all, this is, I have this, but this is how it looks not stuffed, y'all. Like completely bare. Okay, I'm keeping it. It is what it is. Like, I am keeping this bag at this point. Like I said, I did have my doubts and hesitations, but this bag is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, this is, of course, I'm sure I'll put it in the title, the vintage Chanel Maxi, aka Jumbo XL. I've seen it called both. And of course, this is in the lambskin leather. And this leather feels amazing. It feels so good. And I was talking to my bag bestie, and I was telling her, like, you know, when I get my first lambskin bag, especially, like, I want to get one that's in like really good condition, so that I don't have to immediately send it off to leather surgeons, because leather surgeons does a really good job. I've never seen anything to them, but she sent a couple of items to them. But one thing you'll hear is that it slightly changes the texture of the lambskin, so it doesn't have the same feel. So that's one thing that I didn't really want. So I was specifically looking for something that was in really good condition, and that's why I decided to go with this bag right here. It is in such good condition, and like I said, this is a 2 series, which means it was made between the years 1991 and 1994, which is also another reason why I had to go with this one, because y'all know I'm always on the hunt for like a birthday bag. I have a couple from Louis Vuitton that were made like the exact month and year that I was born. But Chanel, you know, I'm all for all brands. Okay, so when I saw 1991, I was like, wait a minute. Although I know it probably wasn't made in 1991 based on the exact date code, because it's kind of on the higher end of the 2 series, but shh, we're not going to talk about that, okay? We're going to pretend this is also a birthday bag. Okay, let me be Delulu, a little Delulu with this one, okay? I was like, this one is for me. And I was telling my husband about it, and I was like, there were bags that were in worse condition than this bag on the website, but they were priced higher. I was like, I don't know if this one had just been on the site for a while. And I actually think this one was in their New York City Soho store location. That's what it said on the website anyway. So I don't know if that has something to do with it, but yeah, I think this, they had this one for a couple of months and it hadn't moved yet. So I think that's why it was probably priced lower, because it had been through a couple of price reductions by the time I saw it. But yeah, I love finding deals like that, because this bag is going for like $5,000, $6,000 on resale sites right now in this condition. So I found it at a really good price, because I wasn't about to pay any of that type of money for anything. But yeah, I am so excited, y'all. This bag is beautiful and it's so big. I told my husband, so my husband always makes me carry like a big bag. I usually end up going with my Speedy when we go to the movies, because who about to be paying all that money for snacks at the movies? Not us. We're not gonna do it. So he always asks me to bring like a big bag so he could put his chips and everything in there. And I'm like, when I was telling him, I was talking about getting this bag, I was like, this bag is really big, you know, and I can definitely fit a bag of chips in here. Like, I can definitely fit a bag of chips in here, some candy, you know, water. I was like, I can take this bag to the movies, you know. So it's not one of my smaller bags that I have to leave at home. So he was, of course, on board with that idea. But yeah, I just came on here really quick. I just wanted to share this with y'all because I'm so excited to have this bag in my collection. And yeah, I'll probably do like a what fits, what's in my bag comparison with my other Chanel bag at a later point in time. But yeah, just a little unboxing for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. But otherwise, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.